Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to tell you a story that is Panchtantra story, and the story name is A Glass of Milk. So let's move forward. So once upon a time there was a boy. Her name was Rohan. He was a very poor boy, and he was moving here to there, and he was coming back to school. After coming back to school, he was very hungry, and he was searching for the food in her house, but there was nothing to drink or to eat something. So when he go to the any neighbor house, so anyone say to no to him to giving him something, so he goes to the next house, so he go there. And then a girl come, and she was narrow and she was narrow, and the girl name was narrow, and she was a very good girl, and she gave him a water, but she saw that the Rohan was feeling hungry, so she didn't give him water. She gave him a glass of milk, and then the Rohan said, I can't pay for this because I don't have money. So the Nehru said that you can drink it, I will not say anything to you. So after some years ago, and then after some years, the Nehru got very sick, very sick. His condition was very bad, and so when she was about to die, she want more money for the injured she was. So when she was okay, so that she was thinking about the bill, who will pay my bill, who will. So the bill come, and there was written bill is paid. So then the Neros think no one can pay because no one have money more like this. So there was written the bill is paid by a glass of milk. So the Nero think it the glass of milk. Then the Rohan come in the front of them. Then she understand that when I give him a glass of milk, so it was that. So when a more videos like this, you can follow me.